Bring
So, there is one place here on the back of your eye called the fovea centralis, not capitis, because that was on your knee. That was on the femur, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this has, it's all cones, no rods. Cones are for color vision. Rods are for black and white. Okay? So, if you live out in the country, you learn not to look straight at something when it's kind of dark. You look a little bit off from it. Like if you go raccoon hunting.
Yes.
Okay? And you're looking at the raccoon up the tree, you don't want to look right at the raccoon because you won't be able to see him. You look a little bit off because this is where your rods and cones are. Okay? This is where the rods are that pick up. This is just cones for color vision. So when I look at this, I can look right at it and go, okay, there's some yellow and there's some beige and there's some red and there's that. But if I look up, I can still see this, but I can't see these colors anymore, right? I don't have that discriminating ability. I have to look straight at something to get that because I'm focusing on this. Okay? So when y'all are trying to shoot your raccoons, don't look straight at it. Look a little bit off and you'll be able to see it a lot better. Same thing if you're looking at stars at night. Sometimes they go away and come back.
Yeah, that's really freaky.
Because you're using the wrong structures.
Well, I'm just going to tell somebody, oh, you're not using your fovea centralis.
Exactly. Not capitis, though.
I won't say capitis.
I'm probably not going to bring it up in casual conversation.
Okay. So, the eye back there. There's three different pictures in your lab manual. There's one that's kind of set right here, where you can see the cornea, the iris, the lens, the ciliary body. Then there's one back here, where it is a high mag of the retina, which looks like this. Okay? The rods and cones are back here. So light goes through some ganglia cells, through the bipolar cells, and then hits here. And it goes ding, 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 I got green light. And this rod or cone sends the information up here that gets sent in there.
Or the nerve.
Okay? And then this one goes, I got red light, I got yellow light. Okay? So that's the way it's going to happen. But imagine it being a circle, right? And everything's feeding into this.
So are those basically just different receptors?
Exactly. Different receptors. Okay, different kinds of cones. You ever looked on the old TVs when you look real close to the TV? Could you see the different color guns that were in there? That's the same thing. We got 3 guns. Okay? Besides these guns. So, okay, the last one is the ear. Okay? You'll talk about the ear. Then there's eye models like this. And when you open it up, you can look at the retina and that kind of stuff, and you can see the little fovea centralis back here. There's some of these that have the cornea, the iris, the pupil. Here is the fluid-filled cavity here. The little purple guy in the back, fovea centralis.
Good.
Optic nerve, optic disc, all that kind of stuff, ciliary body. The lens is missing. The lens fits right there, so somebody stole my lens.
The other one has it.
Okay, the other one's got it. Then we've got the ear model, like this.
It's a big ear.
Do we need to know that you?
Yeah. No, I'm just going to show it to you right quick.
Okay, cool.
You have to know. So I drew a picture